Today we are very pleased to welcome the 10th anniversary of Wareg, and for this special moment in Wareg's life, we have co-organized as FSR EUI and Wareg and also ARERA a big event on water resilience investments in Europe. I'm also very happy to be here today because the FSR Water is also collaborating with Wareg on a very interesting research project.
I'm contributing to the water area through the In Water project. It's a European project across different European institutions. What we're interested in is understanding why we have too much water, too little water, or too polluted water. And in particular, we're wanting to create an assessment tool for water governance that is inclusive, sustainable, and fair.
This work is commissioned by Wareg, the Association of European Water Regulatory Authorities, and this project is strictly connected with a new urban wastewater treatment directive and new requirements for the water and wastewater utilities.
So in the scope of this project, we first start by looking at energy efficiency at the level of the utilities. And we're looking at what regulators have put in place to incentivize and to promote energy efficiency in utilities.
Understanding also what are the social and economic effects of a different and bad water governance. So if we think about vulnerable communities, for instance, women in less developed countries and access to water, fishermen in poor local areas, but also if we think about climate gerontology, so the idea that there are effects of climate change and environmental threats that are much worse for older segments of the communities.
We slightly move towards energy neutrality, taking into account the latest version of the Urban Wastewater Treatment Directive. And I would say finally we're looking at climate neutrality through national plans that are being developed by EU member states.